Thank you, Clevvets, for sponsoring this video. Okay, y'all, today we're going to be trying on this shapewear from Clevvets. And the size is going to be an extra large. Y'all see that? 2X, because I was not taking no chances. Okay, y'all. So let's see the before. Before we get to the before, let me show you more details about the shapewear. It has a little like a pleather on the sides where the padding goes. And that's the back part. And you see the see-through, like the lace part of the shapewear. It's stretchy, got a nice little fit to it, and the length is like boy short or a biker short type length for the length of the actual product. And it also comes with these pads for your hips, and they have inserts where the pads go, so you can wear the shapewear with or without the padding. And this is how the shapewear looks with the inserts for the hips. So pretty much the same, just with a little extra, with a little something. So now let's go to the before. Okay, y'all, let's see this before I put on the shapewear. I wanted to wear something fitting so y'all could see my natural shape. Of course, got leggings on in this exercising sports bra top type of thing with Jiggy to show y'all the best true representation of my natural shape. Okay. Okay, so this is the before. Y'all, who need a BBL when y'all can get this shapewear? Watch these hips. Oh my God, y'all. Look at these hips. Can y'all see them? Oh my God. Now, I do, of course, see a difference. And the way they're made, it kind of lines up with my body. I ain't too bad at it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna make me put on a dress with this? Hold on. Okay, come on, hips. Y'all save y'all money on the BBLs. Gonna get this shapewear real quick. What? Y'all. It's funny because the padding feels very good. And it's easy to insert in the shapewear. And they give you instructions on the padding of which, like your left hip, your right hip, and how, and up and down, how you insert it in properly so why you want to go conflicted. Real talk. Oh my God. Okay, BBL, instant BBL. Boom, boom, boom. Can y'all see it? Okay, y'all, let's put a dress on. Let's see what that dress do. Are y'all ready to see these hips in this dress? No, y'all not. Y'all, BBL out the door. Y'all better get this shapewear, because baby, the shape is shaping. Y'all look at these hips in this dress. What? Y'all, these pads feels good. Oh, I'm on my tiptoes right. I can get the illusion as if I'm wearing heels. Now I don't got no bra on, y'all, so don't look up here. But look at this. This shape is shaping. Oh my God. Now I would still need a little something extra for the stomach, but trick that stomach. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this catfish who? Yeah. Y'all, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Y'all make y'all think what y'all be seeing on the internet. People say, I didn't get no BBL. You surely didn't. But you got that shapewear with them enclosed hips up in that Jones. That's what you got. Look, y'all. That is a big difference. And I'm telling you, to me, it flows with the rest of my my extra love. Let's call it extra love. Y'all see them hips. The information will be in the description box of where to get this shapewear. Yeah, thank me later.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting it wrong.